smelling my mom's perfume because she just left. My dog just took a dookie. I'll clean it up later. Whenever. She got this yesterday and I really like how it smells. She had this for a while. And like, I'm not. That's enough. Let's say, give me a